The weird world. Robots are also divided into men and women. If it is male, the robot will emit golden light and be sent to high society. If it is a woman, the robot will be thrown into the garbage.
Buddy, what happened to your arm?
I'm not supposed to tell.
What do you mean?
My mom says I'm not supposed to tell.
Well, if something happened at home, you have to tell a grown-up.
Okay. My mom hit me with a beer ball.
Блядь, что за тяги, такие бархатные тяги, ребята. Фуф, кефтеме.
You don't decontaminate. What
are you even trying to say?
Shirts that women want to see men wearing, spring edition.
All of her suggestions are absolutely terrible. Fellas, this is what you need for spring. Byzantine armor. Don't let these harlots and temptresses try to convince you to get some fast fashion knit polo. You need Byzantine armor.
People just joined the military because they're too dumb to go to college.
Thar.
Patrick, the temperature's the lowest we've ever had for a launch. Did you manage to run a quality check on the O-ring seals around the right SRB?
No.
It's time to say sayonara.
But I don't speak Italian!
No. Back with another milk. Help! Help!
Tell me what's classified.
The plan. Switch it up.
Hey, Ricardo, guess what I got for you? Guess what I got for you? Ricardo. Oh, I got you, Ricardo.
Hi, I'm Kiko. I'm 23. I go to UCSB and I also bartend.
피장 왕지 거다 당난니 독장기
Move, honey, don't move. He just jumped.
Comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money.
Might be so sad, might leave my nose running. I just hope she don't wanna leave.
Why is bro trying to be like Lucio? Why is bro trying to act like Lucio? You're a phony! You're a fake!
You're insecure.
Do whatever it takes to